probably the most important thing that an affiliate marketer can do, and that's deciding which things to actually promote. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and that's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as the day-old bread at Walmart, but actually, no, that's still pretty good stuff, so maybe not quite that stale. But anyway, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. Why would I do that? Well, it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Yes, Bart, I know. You don't like crap. Neither do I. He does the same thing all the time. Really annoying guy, you know? Seriously. Anyway. I also do a lot of videos about lovely mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Linden. You see, I love Liz. She says the same thing every day also, but she's a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go and like the video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. So let's talk about choosing products to review, and it doesn't matter. By the way, if you see all the boxes behind me, we are getting ready to move to the States finally at the end of the summer. We've been delayed slightly because of the coronavirus, but we are finally going to be moving. I'm very excited about it. Probably going to be living in Pennsylvania somewhere. So yeah, anyway, just in case you're wondering about the boxes behind me. So the thing that I want to talk to you about is picking products to review as an affiliate marketer. Now, this is going to be more difficult for you if you're brand new, especially in my particular industry, the make money online niche. You're going to find that a lot of people simply will not give you the time of day if you are brand new and want to promote the latest product launch. And the reason is because they don't want their product launch to tank. And I do the same thing. Unfortunately, it's nothing personal. It's just the reality that if you are brand new, more often than not, you're going to send a lot of bad traffic. On my last product launch, I had one guy who was brand new who was begging me repeatedly to let him promote. I took a chance on him. He sent me 400 clicks in one sale, which made my overall numbers look bad, even though they weren't really bad. And, you know, that's just the reality. But that's not really what I want to talk to you about today. What I really want to talk to you about, even though that's an issue, and I've talked about how to get approved for products in a previous video. I'll go ahead and put a link above this one. What I really want to talk to you about is choosing the right products to promote, and that's really important. And I'm kind of annoyed today. See, there was a product I was supposed to be promoting today that I thought was really, really cool, actually. And I've seen other marketers, including major names in the industry. I'm not going to name names. I'm not going to name the product. Basically, the product is a software that is designed to help you grab videos off of YouTube and kind of chop them up into a compilation that can go viral, which is really, really cool. I like the concept. I decided not to promote it today. I might do it later on in the week for two reasons. First and foremost, when I first logged in to check the software, I couldn't get it to work. I contacted the vendor who told me, oh, the problem is that the shared account that is available for all affiliates to check out the software, it's been overwhelmed, so you need your own account. So he set me up with my own account. So I wanted to check it out with my own account. I got the same issue. So then he gets back to me, oh, well, you actually have to edit each video before you can actually edit in. After a lot of playing around, a lot of fussing with the thing, I finally managed to get the thing to work, managed to import the videos and get it to render a video for me. But, you know, it shouldn't have been that difficult to figure out. And then I went to take a look. The tutorials were not there. like nothing. They were completely blank. He tells me he'll have it ready in a few hours, like literally just before launch. But to my mind, if you're going to do a launch like this, you kind of want to have things done in advance. I mean, I have a launch coming June 29th, and it's a software launch. It's a great product, which I'm really excited about. The very first thing I did was make the tutorials. Okay, I sat down and recorded the tutorial videos before anything else. I also sat down and tested the software with multiple different things. Basically, it's a software designed to create social proof and countdown, stuff like that, that'll pop up when people are visiting a sales page. It's really, really cool. You're going to love it when you see it. It's coming out June 29th. It's called Conversion Champ. And the very first thing I did after my developer finished working on it was I went and signed up for ClickFunnels and Kyvio and Convertry and a whole bunch of other places, and sat down and tested the software. I said, okay, I want to make sure that it works with all these different systems because I want to have maximum compatibility. And so I actually tested it. I also made a video showing how to actually set up the software on each of these different platforms. Each one is slightly different. And to my mind, that was like the most important thing. I didn't even start working on the sales page before I started doing that. But for some reason, there seems to be a rush in this industry to create a product, create cool marketing materials for it, and then, oh, by the way, let's figure out the product afterwards. And that shouldn't be the case. It should be that you have a product that you're proud of, that you're excited about, and then you say, okay, now how am I going to sell it? And so as a vendor, that's my priority. Is the first thing I do is I create the product always. I will not even start working on a sales page until I've created the product and I know the product is done. Okay, and that may harm me because a lot of affiliates want to see the sales page first. They don't care about the product. To my mind, as an affiliate and as a vendor, I want the product to be ready and polished and done. And to my mind, if you're going to be an affiliate marketer, your biggest commodity is trust. Okay, I did a previous video. I'll put a link up above to that one where I talked about how to build a relationship with your list. And the thing is that if all you're going to do is tell people about products and the product is a piece of junk, then or even if it's a nice product, this thing looked nice, it wasn't ready, and I there's no way I'm going to start promoting a product that's not ready. Okay, if it's not ready, then you wait until you're done and then you promote. You don't start rushing it out the door. Oh, I got to get it out the door because I got to have another product out. It shouldn't work that way. It should not work that way, but people do that anyhow. Anyhow, bottom line is, if you want to build trust with your list, if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer for the long term and not basically have what we call list burnout, then you need to be careful. Take the time to review any product that you're going to actually promote and make sure it actually does what they say it's going to do. And if it doesn't do that, then either some people will actually go ahead and put a negative review up. I don't believe in doing negative reviews. I've almost never done them. But at least put up some. If you're going to put up a review, it should be one where you've actually taken the time to learn everything about the product, that it actually does what they say it's going to do. And if it doesn't, then you don't do it. Okay, and that's a problem because a lot of people are desperate to go promote whatever crap there is. And this is, by the way, in all of my Facebook groups for all of my various products, I get people trying to promote whatever affiliate offer that they have. And you know what? First of all, I didn't create the groups for people to promote those things. I created them primarily for people to discuss the product that I created. But even if I was willing to do that, I'd have to vet it first. I'd have to take hours and hours of my time to go through whatever affiliate product it is that these people want to promote to make sure that it's actually worth buying, because I'm not going to let you know about something if I don't think it's good. And frankly, I'm not going to do that because, well, let's face it, I get paid when you buy something from me. That's how it works. And, you are paying me for my time that I'm spending to go and review the product, make sure it's good, point out any flaws in it, and give you some good bonuses. And the exchange is basically that in exchange for that, you agree to go and buy from me because I am willing to put in the effort for you. And frankly, when somebody puts up something in one of my affiliate groups, one of my groups, and basically whatever affiliate junk that they happen to be promoting, I have no idea what it is. I've never seen it before. I don't know what it is. And I'm not going to spend 6 hours going through the thing so that somebody else can go and get paid for it. Okay, I appreciate that everybody wants to make money in this industry, and I get that. But bottom line is, if you're seeing a review from me, it's because I've taken the time to go through it. And I think that that's probably the most important thing for an affiliate marketer. Take the time to go through it. And if you're not comfortable, if it's not something that you personally would feel comfortable using, either don't review it or say that it's not something that you like. But don't go promoting something that you wouldn't personally use, because ultimately that's going to kill your list and it's going to kill your reputation. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and smash that like button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, and I will see you on the next one.